Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to add green tones to your picture in Lightroom Mobile. Here are few examples of before and after of this preset. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell icon for notification. So, without further ado, let's begin. Go to Light. Decrease exposure to -0.10. Increase contrast to +35. Decrease highlights to -20. Shadows to +10. Whites to +15. Blacks to -15. Go to Curve. Follow the steps. Go to Color. Temperature to -2. Vibrance to +20. Saturation to +10. Go to Color Mix. Go to Orange Color. Hue to -10. Saturation to -15. Luminance to +5. Go to Yellow Color. Hue to -10. Saturation to +10. Luminance to +10. Go to Green Color. Hue to +50. Saturation to -55. Luminance to -30. Go to Effects. Texture to +20. Clarity to +25. Dehiz to +20. Vignette to -10. Go to Split Tone. Set highlights to 240, ISO 5. Set shadows to 240:15. Go to Details. Change value of sharpening to +15. Change value of noise reduction to +20. It's done. Now you can see the before and after of image. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more contents. If it was helpful, do let me know in the comments. We'll see you again in next video. Stay tuned.